up guys, it's Gardner and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today, as you can see, it's not my usual vlog, as I am sitting down and not holding my camera at all, or at the moment. Yeah. So today we are going to be doing an unboxing. So today, I just bought a new vlogging camera. Guys, I really just bought a new vlogging camera. And actually, my parents did not know that I bought a vlogging camera. It's just because that I bought this with hard work. I bought this with my own money, not to brag. And also with the help from a friend, you know who you are. Thanks to you, was able to buy my own vlogging camera. Let's do this. Actually, I looked for a vlogging camera for quite some time already. Like, I bumped into the very famous Canon G7X and also the Sony A series, the 5100, the mirrorless camera, and also some SLRs. Pero this is it. I bought this camera. Oh, diba? Insert angelic sounds. So yeah, it's the Sony RX100 Mark III, guys. This is it. I bought the Sony RX100 Mark III. So, let's open some things that's inside the bag muna. Some freebie. This includes a selfie stick. This is a selfie stick that you can, this is quite, I don't really use a selfie stick kasi, it's parang mukha siyang cheap. Pero this one, like, it's very sturdy. And then, yeah, it's free, guys. So, who would say no to a free stuff? And also, this tripod / monopod. I was looking for this for quite some time na sa Lazada, but it's quite pricey. That's why I just bought a GorillaPod, which I was using right now. Pero I find it very hard to stand kasi, hindi pantay yung legs niya. Unlike this one, I think, may limit talaga siya. So, yeah, I don't think you can go wrong with this. Move on with the actual. This is it. I'm going to open the camera. So let's see what's inside. Yeah, some manuals. I'm not going to be using that. I'm going to go through that today. And as we open this, the charger and the adapter, then this one, charger. You know what, guys, I prefer this charger compared to the one na yung battery mismo yung china-charge mo. Kasi, when you're traveling, unless you have many batteries, when you're traveling, you're actually sometimes thinking too much about the battery life of your camera. Kasi, you want to catch all the scenes all day, but at the same time, you would want to capture as much shots or as much videos as you can. So, this is a good thing. Moving on to the actual camera. Let's open it. Wow! God, I actually own a vlogging camera. Let's put the SD card. So if you're wondering, guys, the camera I am using right now is the GoPro Hero 6. So yeah, let's dig in. Let's open. Wow! Cool. So let's go through some of these features. The good thing about this camera is that also it's good for photography, not just video shoots like this one. The Sony RX100 actually have a viewfinder. And when you're shooting in the dark, you can't really see much of the detail in the screen. Like, I'm going to show you guys the quality of this one. Ta-da! And then one good thing about this camera, yun lang. Wait, before we proceed to the good thing, the downside to this one is that when you're using the viewfinder, it closes when you close the viewfinder as well. When you decided to shoot on the screen, it's going to close. So yeah, let's open it again. So one good thing about this is actually the flash. The flash is good because it can be redirected. You see that? Like, I'm going to show you the difference when I'm actually shooting with direct flash and with redirected flash. Close the light. Yeah. So this will be the direct flash, and this will be the redirected flash. See the difference? Moving on to the reason why I actually bought this camera, vlogging. What would a vlogging camera be without the flip screen? This is a necessity. This is a necessity to all the vlogging cameras. Like, you should be able to see yourself when you're vlogging. Because you know, actually right now I cannot see myself. I'm not that comfortable, you know, because I cannot see when the things I'm holding is actually going outside the screen. To show you the quality of this one, I will be using this in 3, 2. And now I'm actually using the Sony RX100 Mark III. So this is what I was using a while ago, the GoPro Hero 6. Yeah, I don't know if it's focusing, yeah. So yes, this is the actual view of the Sony RX100. So at the moment, I cannot give you a very comprehensive review about this camera yet because I was not able to have a hands-on with this camera with a period of time yet because you know, I just got it. So maybe in a few months or weeks I will be giving you guys a much needed review for this one, Sony RX100 Mark III. So maybe in a few days or weeks I can give you a review of the GoPro Hero 6 and its vlogging capacity. That's very much it for today's vlog. And guys, watch out for my next vlogs. You know, I'm going to be traveling again. So yeah. So that is it for our vlog today. Thank you very much for watching my unboxing of my new vlogging camera, the Sony RX100 Mark III. Please watch out for my new vlogs. You know, I'm going to be traveling again. I'm going to give you more travel videos and more aerial shots. So don't forget to click the like button, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe. And remember, this is Casey Gardner, where your world meets mine. Bye!